Please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notification for more informative videos.
Number 1. Wear sunglasses. Not just for looking cool. Sun damage is serious business for your eyes. For all of your outdoor activities, you need year-round UV protection for your eyes. Always wear eyeglasses and sunglasses with 100% UV protection. You can't rely on sunscreen alone for protection from UV rays. Even though 75% of Americans report having concerns about UV eye exposure. Number 2. Don't ignore headaches. Reaching for another aspirin? Frequent headaches can be a sign of an eye health issue. Check with your eye doctor or read more about common eye health issues. Number 3. Tears can be a good thing. Beware of dry, itchy eyes caused by environmental factors, certain medications, or just aging tear ducts. Artificial tears work wonders for thirsty, irritated eyes. Visit your nearest eye care center. Number 4. Don't be afraid to blink. Healthy eyes need breaks. Frequent blinking prevents fatigue. Number 5. Safety first. If you think you should be wearing safety glasses, put them on. Number 6. Supercharge your eyes. Diets rich in vitamin A keep eyes healthy and sparkling. So eat lots of carrots. Number 7. Give them a rest. Reduce computer-related eye strain with the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look about 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Number 8. Sleep on it. Sleep is the most natural form of eye care. Lack of sleep can lead to increased strain and make your eyes look unhealthy, dark circles or bags. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.